A very good friend of mine reached out to me this morning and he asked, please Phil, how can I start making money online? I really need to make money online. And it really broke my heart because I see things that I do easily and make residual income every single month. Very difficult for people to do. And in this video, I want to break that down for you. Now, in order to show you proof, look at this video. Look very carefully. This is 29th of January. You have received a payment. This is 26 Pioneer. You have received a payment. Now hold on, let me show you also payment that I received in 2023, just to show you that this is not just some one-off thing that does not work. Now listen, this is 29th of November 2023. You have received a payment. This is 28th of November 2023. You have received a payment. We can also go down to the month of October, I think, and this is you have received a payment. This is October 2023. You have received a payment. This is 27th of October 2023. This literally happens every month, guys. This literally happens. I can go on and on and on and show you. Now, I can't remember the last time I actually wrote or did anything on Amazon, but I keep getting paid every single month of the year, and that's because I have put in the work and I've done what is required. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can do it, how you can actually start making passive income from Amazon. Now listen, if you have zero capital, I will show you how you can do this. And also, if you have some money to spare and money to try around, I will also show you how you can actually maximize and how you can make it work. Now, it is true that making money online is not a get-rich-quick scheme. However, there are faster routes. Now, you can choose to go coding, getting a job and all that stuff, or freelancing, but that's a longer route. I am showing you a very quicker route that you can start doing and literally start making your first dollars in the first week that you start. And yes, this has worked for me, and that's what I'm showing you. I mean, you saw quickly the payment I have received already, and that's true. Yes, you saw the name Pauline Osivi. That's my sister's name because I have multiple accounts. I've done this over time and repeated it over time. Now, without further ado, let's hop in right. Let me show you how this works. But if this is your first time on my channel, hit on the subscribe button because every single week I make videos like this that is going to really help you. You might not be interested in one, but you might find one that will change the course of your finance. Now, what I'm trying to share with you is nothing other than Amazon Kindle. Now, it's very important that you understand that you do not need to know how to write. For many people that think, oh, I need to know how to write. No, you do not need to know how to write. Now, you can actually come on this website called PLR Minds if you don't know how to write, and you will see tons and tons of books that all you have to do is to copy these books, download them on your screen, right? And then change this book, probably paraphrase this book using some tools like Quillbots that I'm showing you on my screen right now, and Grammarly, and that's basically it, and your book is tailor-made ready. And also the next question is oftentimes, I do not know how to design a book cover. Very, very simple. Canva has made it very easy for you to design a book cover. Matter of fact is that you can even actually write your book on Canva. You can also come on Canva and simply paste these books, and boom, there you go. Now, there is also one thing you need to understand, that keyword research. You need to know what to write, what book to write, what people to focus on, what target to focus on. Now, it's very simple. Now, what I do is that I come on Amazon Kindle and I look for books that are trending. Like you see on my screen, you look for books that are trending, books that people are actually looking for, books that people are actually interested in reading. You would see it when you come to Amazon Top Search, right? You would see books that people are actually interested in. So when you're trying to create a book, you don't create a book based on your interest. You create a book based on the market interest, what the market is interested in, right? So if you're choosing not to write, you can go on PLR Minds and look for books in this particular niche and market it. All you have to do is to put it out there. And for your book cover, you just design it on Canva. Canva has created multiple templates. All you have to do is to pick the name of your book, put it on this template, and there you go. You have a book cover, merge it together and publish it on Amazon. And if you don't know how to publish on Amazon, it's very simple. I'm going to show you how in the end of this video. Now, another way you can actually make money from this system, also if you have quick money, in my opinion, this is actually a longer sustainable way. But if you do not have money, you can use the first route. If you have money, you can actually take advantage of this. What you can do is to come on Fiverr here, and you can see people writing books. All you can do is to employ the service of these people, pay them, and then they will write books for you on whatever industry or niche you're trying to look for. And also, if you don't want to go through the hassle of keyword research or checking what book is trending and all that, you can also pay people here on Amazon, on Fiverr rather, that would actually do keyword research for you and check for you what is actually trending on Amazon Kindle. Also, you can pay these people to design the book cover for you, and then you have your book, you have your book cover, you have your niche. All you have to do is to publish this book on Amazon and wait for your revenues to come in. Now, this video is not supposed to be too long for the sake of time, right? But if you want to learn more about Amazon Kindle, right, I'm going to leave a link in the description below. Click on this link. I am going to have a one-on-one class with everybody that click on that link, and I'm going to show you step by step how you can actually do this, how you can create a Pioneer account, how you can actually publish your book on Amazon. If you do not have an Amazon Kindle account, I am also going to be creating a video very soon that is going to show you how to create an Amazon Kindle account. Now, look at the prerequisite for joining my class. One is you have to create an Amazon Kindle account, which means you have to watch my next video on how to create an Amazon Kindle account. Secondly, you need to have a Pioneer account. Now, I just want you to take the initiative to do this by yourself, such that when you come to the class, you're not coming fully as a novice. You have already created a foundation on which I can build upon. So do not forget, first you need to create an Amazon Kindle account, and to do that you would watch the next video I'm going to make in this channel. That is why you need to subscribe and click on the notification button, so that when I drop the next video, you'll be among the very first to get notified. Secondly, you need to create a Pioneer account. Thirdly, if you're not subscribed to this channel, you would need to subscribe to this channel. I mean, you have to be a part of the community, right? Now, without further ado, I am very passionate about helping you make this money. I am very passionate. I have a heavy heart. I see people really in need of finance, really in need of money, and there are actually ways you can hack this. And that is why I'm not just showing you on YouTube. I also want to teach you one-on-one. It's a free class. You do not have to pay a single penny, right? Without further ado, click on the link and join the group and do the needful. See you in my next video.